drinking with my Kennedy. Tell you if it's any good. If it makes us happy. I'm drinking with my Kennedy. I'm drinking with my Kennedy. Kennedy, drinking some sodas.
You ready to drink some sodas you can get online?
Today, we've got Avery Soda from Connecticut. We've been to Connecticut.
Yeah, I know. Slime!
Toxic slime. Nom, 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 nom. Blue raspberry and orange.
That looks good. I love it.
You love it?
We're gonna drink it. If you subscribe, hello. Big thumbs up. Subscribe in the videos.
Oh, you did it! Oh, you did it! Let me open their first bottle. Oh, I didn't say to put your mouth on it. What does it smell like?
It smells like raspberry fruit punch.
It does smell very fruity. Ladies first.
Whoa, it's so dark blue.
Then the fellas.
It looks so blue. Try to drink this out.
Hey, we gotta cheers first. What are you doing? Cheers. What does it taste like?
It tastes like what? Strawberries and lemons.
Like, it's not bad. You like it?
Yeah.
Do you like the carrot cake one better or the toxic slime?
I like the carrot cake one better.
You like the carrot cake one better? This one's pretty yummy. Mama, you ready to come and give it a try? Bon appetit!
It tastes like an icy.
It's got an icy taste, according to Mama.
The bottom of an icy cup.
So it's like all the ice melted, and now you're just drinking the juice.
Yes. So it's watered down juice.
Watered down juice. Did you think it was going to taste like slime?
No.
Yep, blue tongue. Mama likes when we drink like this. I don't taste much orange. It's very blue raspberry to me. Like,
Give me another.
give me another. There's one more for my girl.
Dad, you got too much. You are not good at clean diet.
Oh, there was some fell in her dress. I watched it.
Yeah, I watched it.
This is why Mama's not in the show.
Mom is weird. He doesn't like us a lot.
No, she doesn't. We had a wardrobe malfunction. Kennedy needs to change her dress. Oh, always ask for Avery's. New Britain, Connecticut.
I'm back.
She's back.
What more?
I think I've had enough. Lots of sugar.
I say I give you another.
Take it easy.
It's so good.
I'm sorry, soda makes me a little gassy.
It's a just a bit I've ever seen. It's a just a bit afraid. It's about to be afraid of it. It's so right to the scene a day long.
What's that song?
You're doing no burpee, burpee, burpee. Every day I burp, every day not a burp, every day not. Watch our videos a lot again. You can see us. You love our videos. Bye. Bye.
Oh, I guess. Bye.
Bye.
Smell you later, losers.
No.
Oh, was that wrong?
I love you guys. Watch our movies every day. Yee. You give us money every day. You live in Grand Island.
Don't tell them where we live.
Give us more money in Grand Island.
We don't need to tell them where we live. Hey, send us some money so we can buy more soda.
We live in Grand Island.
Stop telling them we live in Grand Island.
You said it.